Guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to make many pizza bites without oven, and I really wanted to make this recipe for so long. So guys, let's begin. First we need to activate our yeast, and I'm using 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast here and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Guys, please use lukewarm water only, don't use hot water. So after mixing it well, you need to keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now we will prepare our dough. For that we need all-purpose flour 5 cups, and after that I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt. So if your yeast mixture doesn't look like this, then your yeast is not good. Make a well and add yeast mixture here, and you can use more lukewarm water to make a soft dough. If needed, add more water and knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. The dough must turn very soft and elastic, and when you poke your finger gently, the dough must bounce back. Place your dough on your counter and knead it for around 10 to 15 minutes and push it away from you with the heel of your hand, and repeat this step. So it sounds a little confusing, so that's why I made a video. So do it like this until your dough becomes soft and elastic. And for the pizza base, you can use half wheat flour and half all-purpose flour also. Our dough is ready. Transfer it into bowl and add few drops of oil in the bowl so that your dough will not stick. Now you can cover either with cling wrap or with a moist cloth. Rest in a warm place and until the dough doubles in size. So depending on the temperature, the dough may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, but still I advise not to go by timings but to double it in size. So meanwhile, let's prepare our pizza sauce. For that we need 7 to 8 tomatoes and make the tomato puree in a blender. So for that we need a pan, add 2 to 3 drops of oil and add tomato puree in it. It's very easy to make, and eating this will give you a taste of authentic pizza. It's time to add seasoning. First I'm going to add oregano, black pepper and salt according to your taste. Mix it really well and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes. And if you want something spicy, you can add chili flakes too. So our homemade pizza sauce is ready, and you can buy this pizza sauce from market also. So after an hour, you can see our dough is double in size. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm making small pizza bites here. So I need a cookie cutter. Sprinkle some flour and roll out your dough and cut it using cookie cutter into a desired shape. So our small pizza bases are ready, and after that we need veggies also, and I'm using red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, onions, corns and capsicum here. So we need cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese here, pizza sauce that we prepared earlier and oregano. So first of all we will put the sauce that we made on the pizza base. Now we will add cheese because everybody likes cheese pizza, and if there is more cheese in the pizza, then what else can be better? time to add veggies, and you can choose your toppings according to your likes or choice. Some more cheese, and after that I'm going to add oregano and chili flakes. So I'm gonna bake this mini pizzas in two ways, with oven or without oven. So first of all, I will make without oven. For that I need a plate. I'm using a plate of spring foam pan here. You can use any plate, aluminium too. Now I'm taking a pan, put salt in it, and you can use sand instead of salt. Put a small bowl over it and cover the lid. So preheat for 5 minutes, and after that you can place your pizza in the pan and bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Now I'm going to bake it in oven. So preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake this for around 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So guys, our pizza is ready, and this one is baked in the oven. And it looks so fluffy and soft. And this one is baked without oven. So this one is without oven and the back one is with oven. And the difference between these two pizzas is that the pizza with oven is soft and fluffy, and without oven the pizza is crispy and soft too. If you want to eat thin crust pizza, then you pierce it with the help of fork so that it doesn't become fluffy. So guys, you too can make this mini pizza and tell me how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel Bake Your Dreams.